hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, my name is Airie. I'm here on a journey to becoming debt-free, as well as saving and basically just living life. I don't want to just pay off debt and not live. So here you will see what I'll do as I enjoy my life, but also handle the things that are most important. By the way, there is a heater in the background, so if you hear a little noise, that's probably what it is. So today we're going to do another budget with me, but we're going to start off with a new binder. So I had this binder for my low priority, but that doesn't really work for me. I don't really do the high priority, low priority thing because things change so much that I don't know when something's going to be a higher priority than a lower priority. So then I start to get a little bit anxious about it. So I'm just going to do what works for me. So I'm just going to put everything in this binder, which is what I did. And yeah, so I'm just gonna stick with this, and then once this starts to get full, then I'll take money out so it won't be as full. So everything will come in this binder. But now I have a new goal and a new idea of what I want this binder to be. So I made some envelopes, and I got these from Amazon. I'm eventually going to put my Amazon shop below my storefront so you guys can get everything that I get. So this is going to be my business binder. So I do have a business. I do have an online clothing store, which is called Airie. So if you guys would like to check it out, go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link down below in the description. So I thought it'd be a good idea to maintain this because sometimes I confuse myself. Okay, so what I'll be doing is, this is going to be a mixture of different businesses because I have a couple side hustles that I do. If you live in the Bay Area, you already know how difficult it is. Okay, so I have a section for models. I have a section for packaging. Some of these are recurring expenses. Some of them are like one-time expenses, or some of them are expenses when you run out of whatever it is that you have. So I have budget aid in here. I have one for giveaways. I have one for product and supplies. Photography, videography. Y'all, it's expensive running a business. Sometimes it can be discouraging, but especially when you're trying to do things financially in your life, it can be so much. But I know that God will make a way. Makeup artist. Also, I do want a new camera. I don't know if I would use it for budget babe, but I definitely would use it for other things. I'm also going to start, I think I've mentioned this already, I'm going to start another YouTube channel where it's more about my life and encouraging messages. So I do want a new camera for that. And then we have miscellaneous in here. So I'm gonna start with what's most important, or the order that I think I would like to do. So I'm gonna put product and supplies right here. I'm going to put photography, videography, okay. So we did videography, makeup artist, well, to be honest, all these three things can't be. I forgot to put this one here, y'all. Models goes first. Camera, packaging, budget babe. Yes, I will be having products. I just am in the process of figuring it out. And then this is miscellaneous. Oh, I actually need to put taxes in here. So I'm gonna put taxes in here. Okay. So that's gonna be this binder. And I'm excited about that. You guys will see how I operate my business. I might have videos later on about, like, you know, showing what it's like to be an entrepreneur, because it could be difficult, y'all. Like, it really be something. Because you're in the beginning, you're doing everything, and that can be draining in itself. So it's like you have to make sure you don't run out of energy on your own business. Like, that's the down part of being an entrepreneur in the beginning. I'm thinking about adding one more binder, just to keep everything organized. But we'll see. I'm still thinking about it. I did do the binder in my older videos, which was for student loans, but you know, I like aesthetics, so I might do it so that the aesthetics are there, but we'll see. I'll let y'all know. And it probably will be more of a simple binder, just cause. So I'll just recap. I have a total right now of 5 binders. So this is now my business binder. This is my main binder for all my sinking funds. This is my wedding binder, which is why it's white. I haven't really stuffed this as much because I've had a lot of stuff going on. This is my my holiday binder, which we will be stuffing soon because Easter's coming up. And then and Black Friday, y'all, and Christmas. I like to save for that in advance, and I haven't been saving for that, so definitely do that. And then birthdays, we'll get some things, and miscellaneous, we'll get some things. And then my last binder is my savings challenge binder. So I have a binder for everything. I just want to make sure that, like, I don't want to overcomplicate things, but I also want to make sure that I'm I don't want to overcomplicate things, but I just want to make sure my expenses and things are organized, because y'all, I don't want just one thing. I want it to be specific to, I want my money to go specific to where I want it to go. Okay? So that's pretty much it. And I'll let you guys know if there's any more updates to my binders. As of right now, we're going to get into the next video, which is the budget with me. So first things first is ties. Next thing is savings. And then savings challenge. I get paid every 2 weeks, so I have to budget for, in my savings challenge, I have to budget for 2 weeks instead of weekly. So for the savings challenge, it's going to be $185. And then savings is $180. So how I come up with these two is they're 10% of what my check is at any given time. Rent is gonna be $700. At least $555 left. And then I have my Apple credit card, which is gonna be $150. Can't wait till I'm done with this. That way I can move on to my other card, and then I can move on to student loans. I paused student loans because there's just too much happening. My best friend's wedding. Which is gonna be $50. My boyfriend's birthday is coming up, so I'll be putting stuff aside for that. And then I have me. I've decided to start taking care of me. I was talking to someone who's really good with finances, and they said you should always take care of yourself in every paycheck, which is something I wasn't doing because I knew I had to get stuff done. So I'll do that, and then I'll just, have it go towards something. And then Disneyland, and then gas, which equals 50. $50. $50. And then $50 for myself. And then envelopes of my choosing, cash envelopes, which is gonna be $100. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this down into 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So 5 20s. So minus 100. Then I have $55 left. And I'm gonna put this in my business envelope, which will go into my binder. Oops. Whoa. Well, anyway, we're at 0. So yeah, this is gonna be my budget for my next paycheck. If things change, they will change. But yeah, so eventually I might start cutting rent down just a little bit just to hurry up and pay off debt, because I just want to knock a lot of this out. I actually want to knock out my Apple card within the next, I want to say in April. Like either April or June. But before I go to Disneyland, I want to knock it out. And then I want to knock my other credit card out in like 2 payments. And then after that, I'm gonna like go full throttle with my student loans. So you guys will see that. And yeah, this is it for now. And yep, just something simple and something quick. So if you guys would like to see specific videos, go ahead and let me know what videos you like to see. But for now, I just do budgeting videos. I mean, well, not just budgeting videos, but I'm saying budget with me videos and cash stuffing videos. Eventually, you guys will see also my side hustle stuffing videos, and whatever else I can do to help other people with their finances and just come along my journey as well. That's what I'll do. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next. Oh, I almost forgot. You guys, I hit 500 subscribers and I'm so excited. I just want to say thank you all who have been a tremendous support to me. It is amazing. It is amazing and is very encouraging to keep moving forward. And I just feel very much supported by this community, and I'm so thankful. So thank you. Tune in to my next video, which will have the giveaway information. I will be coming with the giveaway. There will be 2 winners. So please stay tuned and please watch that video. The next video will be a cash stuffing video. So stay till the end and you'll know how to enter the giveaway, and we'll get this show on the road. So thank you guys and have a good day. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And just thanks for being here. Bye.